Brunswick is a ghost town. We have Lygon Street. See if we can sneak out. Lygon Street's normally booming with cars. It takes 10 minutes to cross. Ghost town.
Find yourself asking what on earth was I drinking? You're blind half the time if you spend your life blinking. Living like a shark, moving forward or die until you're sinking. Swimming in my sorrow till I drown in tomorrow. I am shallow, I am hollow, I will beg, steal and borrow. I'm a wandering soul, smoking bowl after bowl. Where it stops I don't know. I guess I'm just a wandering soul. Meet the same new people everywhere that I go. I'm just a wandering soul, and I've still got a few more wild dogs to show.
Alright.
I'm just a wandering soul.
Right away on the sneaky path along the river.
I'm just a wandering soul. I guess I'm just a wandering soul.
I'm just a wandering soul.
Melbourne isn't so bad. There's some nice spots if you know where to find them. So the mission of today's, or the goal of today's flight mission is to see if we can fly it remotely, solely from the computer. So putting in a GPS coordinate, seeing it take off, fly to the GPS coordinate we've set, and then get it to return. So if we can achieve that, that'll be another big step. This is only flight number 2. So the other one the other day was a test flight, and it did actually fly, which was good. How do we get through here? So yeah, the test flight did go well. Lots of room for improvement. I haven't really changed anything since. You get down here without falling over somehow. I haven't really changed anything yet. I just want to test the controlling from the laptop and see how we go.
I'm just a wandering soul, and I've still got a few more wild dogs to show. I'm just a wandering soul.
Definitely getting thicker.
Never make me grow. I'm just a
Feeling not many
wandering
people
soul.
come down here.
I guess I'm just a wandering soul.
I'm just a wandering soul. I'm just a wandering soul. I'm just a wandering soul. Just a wandering soul.
I guess I'm just a wandering soul. Meet the same new people everywhere that I go. I'm just a wandering soul, and I've still got a few more wild dogs to show. I'm just a wandering soul. Never take me, never make me grow. I'm just a wandering soul. I guess I'm just a wandering soul. Together again, yes, we're together at last. Whenever we're together, it's just over so fast. Think about the future, but we learn from the past. Together again, together at last. But we can't be together, there's nothing to ponder. My soul's not whole unless my soul can wander. Strike like lightning and roll like thunder. Pillage every village passed by just to plunder.
It's almost like I was born alive. Looking out through my leaves, I learned my dreams. Someone passed my path, flying quite rapidly. Oh, how could I leave? With my feet, I'm bound by the ground. Straight flowing into evolution. Straight flowing into evolution. Straight flowing into evolution. Ignore all the thought, calm complexity. I lift my feet straight out and roam free. I guess I'm just a wandering soul.
A couple of people over there, but normally every Melbourne park has 50 people doing some kind of CrossFit, bloody running with their hot pants on. So a couple of people is perfectly okay. And also you can see up in the distance there, see the mosque. Amazing. Alright, I'm going to take a little break and set up. Alright, now I'm going to use Q ground control, which I haven't really used before. Well, I haven't used before for flying. but turns out I don't have the maps loaded, so I'm going to have to connect to the internet somehow and load all the maps, which is a bit of a pain. So let's do that first. Alright, I'm going to give this a go. I have no idea what's going to happen, but we've still got the kill switch on the thing, so let's see how it goes. Fingers crossed. Oh my god, it actually works! Like, actually really works! We just programmed it. I didn't actually mean it to go to 50 meters on the second waypoint. There must be a setting in there that I missed. I was meaning just to keep it at 5 meters, but... Oh, that's exciting, and it just repeated it too. Yeah, I'll hold the GoPro so you can see. We'll do it again. Oh! I'm excited now. Alright. So we've programmed the waypoints, I'll show you that later. Look at that! That's magic! Oh! Well, that works. Now, should I attach the GoPro to it? Brand new GoPro. Yeah, let's have a look. It would be pretty cool. Works! Awesome! Hell yeah! Right. Now what should I do? Do some more waypoint missions, I guess. Alright. Well, we're all packed up. Got the cord back in my bag. Still last check, make sure we haven't dropped anything. So we're going to sneak out through the north side of this park, which is kind of nice. I get raided by magpies. Australia, the magpies swoop you to protect their nests. But yeah, when there's no wind, I'll come back and take it right up and do like a big scanning mission. That'll be epic. But at the moment it's too windy and I don't know, the helicopter's still acting a bit crazy. I'm not sure if, I don't know. It probably was just the wind blowing it around, because especially once it gets up, it was going up to 50 meters. Once it gets up there, it was quite windy. So yes. So that was my first time flying from the computer, solely controlled from the computer, putting in GPS points. It went really well. It's scary because you don't want to lose your helicopter and, you know, get it stuck in the top of a tree. That would be worst case. If it flies off, I've always got the kill switch on the remote, but you kill switch it at 50 meters and it falls, it's going to be pretty broken. So yeah, I can't wait to get the confidence in it to have it fly a big mission from a high altitude. So that's going to be pretty exciting. And then we've got to get out of this park somewhere along here. Ah, there it is. There is a hole in the fence. Perfect. Gotta try and get through it.
So, I'm just a wandering soul. I'm just a wandering soul.
I guess
I'm just a wandering soul.
Meet the same new people everywhere that I go. I'm just a wandering soul, and I'm still but a few
I'm
more
just a
wild
wandering
dogs to
soul.
go.
I'm just a wandering
There we go.
soul.
Never take, never make.
Right, I'm just gonna walk down this street and jump on the tram and head back to my house. Ah, got a lovely little bushwalk.
I'm just a wandering soul.